Hi everyone, and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about deep learning strategies. Deep learning does not mean studying harder for longer hours. It means learning in a smarter and more meaningful way. Many students use surface learning. Surface learning means memorizing facts without really understanding them. For example, you may read the same notes many times, highlight everything, and remember definitions for a short time. But after the exam, the information disappears quickly. Deep learning is different. Deep learning means you understand the meaning behind ideas. You connect new knowledge to things you already know. You can explain ideas in your own words, and you can use what you learned to solve new problems. So the question is not only, can I remember this? The better question is, do I really understand this, and can I use it? Let's look at 5 simple strategies that can help you learn more deeply. Strategy 1, ask why and how questions. Surface learners often ask, what is this? Deep learners go further. They ask, why does this happen? And how does this work? For example, instead of only asking, what is inflation? You can ask, why does inflation make goods more expensive? Or, how does inflation affect daily life? These questions push your brain to think more carefully. Strategy 2, connect new knowledge to what you already know. Your brain remembers ideas better when they are connected. For example, if you're learning about electrical circuits, you can connect the idea to your mobile phone battery. You already know your phone needs electricity. Now you can connect that everyday knowledge to the science concept. After every lesson, ask yourself, does this remind me of something I already know? Strategy 3, teach what you learned. This is sometimes called the Feynman Technique. Choose one topic, then try to explain it in simple words, as if you are teaching a younger student. When you explain something simply, you quickly discover what you understand and what you do not understand. If you get stuck, go back to your notes, fill the gap, and try explaining it again. A good test of understanding is this: can I explain the idea without copying the textbook? Strategy 4, apply your knowledge to real problems. Deep learning happens when you use knowledge, not only when you memorize it. For example, if you study budgeting, a surface task is to define the word budget. A deep task is to create a real monthly budget and explain your choices. When you apply knowledge, you move from remembering to understanding. After every lesson, ask yourself, how can I use this outside the classroom? Strategy 5, reflect on your learning. Reflection means thinking about your own thinking. After studying, take 5 minutes and ask yourself, what did I understand well? What was confusing? How is this connected to something I already knew? How could I explain this to a friend? What do I need to practice more? These questions help you become aware of your strengths and your gaps. Deep learners also solve problems step by step. First, understand the problem. Read carefully and underline keywords. Second, gather information. Think about what facts, ideas, or formulas may help. Third, plan your approach. Decide whether to make a list, draw a diagram, use a formula, or break the problem into smaller parts. Fourth, apply and solve. Work through the problem step by step. Fifth, check your answer. Ask whether it makes sense and answers the question. Finally, reflect and learn. Ask what you can do better next time. Before you finish this video, think about your own action plan. Which deep learning strategy will you use this week? Will you ask better questions? Will you connect new ideas to what you already know? Will you explain a topic to a friend? Will you apply your knowledge to a real example? Or will you spend 5 minutes reflecting after each study session? Choose one strategy and use it this week. Remember, surface learning helps you remember for a short time. Deep learning helps you understand, connect, apply, and solve problems. The more deeply you think about something, the more you truly own it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your classmates. See you in the next video.